beautiful people, is there one and only Lady J? If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? My bonga people, today's topic now about one woman where Meme is stepson. I don't know the reason why Meme is stepson. He said because according to her, before I even start to the talk, some women I don't understand what they play, as in what they worry una. I don't really understand because as in I don't understand. Wait, to which property una dey fight for? So like which property, as in we be say if person not born boy pikin, go you must make the person die, make the person maybe because he not born boy pikin. Me I no understand. Okay, this woman now if he marry the man, he get children, he get pikin with the man, but he born girls, he never born boy, So the man now can go marry another woman to make come born boy for am. So as he marry second wife, now the second wife come happen to born boy, my people. So as the second wife come born boy, now in this woman now come begin the verse, yeah. So now the second wife don't go born boy now. So she not born boy. So it can't be problem. As the man not the reason all those boy matter. If you see me, we even look everything, and not be guess can't even they help their mama pass now. Now guess now. This one will be say if person not born boy, it could just be problem. It could just be problem too. I don't understand. Just see the way this woman now say go poison his stepson now, or because he not born boy pikin, he go poison his stepson. His stepson don't pay me now, or because he not born boy pikin. She begin to confess, come dey cry. Now they continue no say see wetin happen. We police don't come now come carry am, Wetin go make you get that evil mind? I believe say if person not be wish, go fit get that kind thought to go poison small pikin wey no even know anything. You go poison am, or because you no born boy pikin. This life no balance, my people. If I dey talk and say this life no balance, people go dey. I get one friend that time go dey laugh. I say this life you no balance, really. You no balance at all, because if you balance, what will make you now? Because of waiting the man get. Una go even surprised now say the man not even get money. You don't get anything because now those poor people now they fight for this boy matter. I get a friend who be say now 5 girls he mama born for he papa. 5 girls now he born. The man not even reason and say one go marry another woman because he not born boy pikin, may go marry another woman. No, he not do one. He stay with his wife till the man meme. He stay with his wife. He not marry second wife. That is people we get mature mind. He not marry any second wife. Obama uncle. Obama get two girls. Now he get Obama. 2 girls. Now he get. Now we Nigerians, now we they carry this thing like say now one kind of big something say a person not born boy pikin. Not be the boy pikin where you go born. If the dog grow, they'll come they misbehave, they even they boof their mama safe. But now only girl go see they get that pity mind for your mama, your papa. Who boy pikin who he help sometimes. The woman just stay there. Even the man self, what even make you go marry second wife because you dey look for boy pikin? Who not see born pikin? Who not see born? He dey cry say I not see you. You wait see. You say you not born boy, you go marry second wife. Because now that the law for Nigeria now, so now must marry second wife. That one when I the talk just now say he born 5 girls. All the girls now so that they do well. They okay. They marry big men. All of them they okay. Only that they take care of their family now. I beg my people, more not they get all those kind thought of a person not born boy pikin, person not born. I don't understand. Just see what this woman go do now because of boy pikin. Because say she not born boy, she go be made the pikin. That one are nonsense. Very, very big nonsense. Who does that? How you go even reason that kind of thing to yourself? Go do that kind of thing. How you go even do one? Go meme your own stepson, you go meme. Very, very painful. Very, very painful. Now, people, as I see the video, I shocked her eyes. I say, what did this life? What did this world? Everything we did this world. Now, vanity upon vanity. What we come do for this life? Eki. Ebini go say, Eki madodo vagbona. Aradu eki tara yowa. Ara lari oba. Agbona na we. Ari obosa. Oh, what we come do for the market? All of us come do for this life. If we finish, we must still go meet Baba God. Hey, what it dey? What it dey the house? As you go, maybe you don't go carry a follow body. Money you go make, you don't go carry a follow body. What you want me for? What you want me ourselves for? Because of what you not reach anything. Maybe they use our HQ sometimes. See. Why would they use our brain sometimes? You know, they use our brain. See the way this man this woman take women his stepson because of house will not reach anything. So even for Europeans, this some women go see they cry. I not born boy. You go even they maybe an operation until they born pikin. You go use until born 5, 6 because of a boy pikin. Ask whether your pikin one from Europe here go the hear it 2 flat where your husband built for Nigeria be even though they even 4 flat. And you want to risk your life. You know, and the funny part, they know the reason their life will say they feel one born that pikin and they feel past there. They know the reason I'm no, I want born boy for my husband, never born boy. If the man they misbehave now because I never born boy for him. Like say boy pikin and one kind. I don't understand. Who see they born the boys will see they look for gay. You don't go see. You cannot choose for God. Maybe one thing one I don't understand. You don't feel choose for them. I ain't go choose for you. You don't feel choose for them. You born boy pikin, you born girl, all that pikin. Again, one video when I see when this man do a messy land, where the man, a wife come out say not the marry again. He begin to cry. He begin they cry say he want me himself. He happened to come to Mercyland Church. Now Mercyland say they prophesy for her. Now he take look for a wife. They can't go to beg the woman. The woman say because he come out because he not born boy, the man dey misbehave to him. The man they treat him bad. Now he give the man condition. Say, if you want make I come back to you, you go buy car for me. You go give her money make they start the business, and you not go to treat her like because they not born boy pikin. I was like, are you kidding me right now? We see concern boy pikin. If you not born boy, you born girls, you not go happy. When they give a daughter me talk, the daughter was crying. The first daughter. He said never get fatherly love. One day, if papa not be treating the way because they be girls. And you don't know what those girls go become tomorrow. You don't know. So maybe we use our age to beg my people. Make we not they get that mindset. Say person no born boy, not be better wife again. Not now you wait till you give her and she be born for you. You understand? So now so it be. I wait till you give her and I born. Not be say you come to say you not born boy because of that one. See what this woman go do now. Go me his stepson because say you never born boy. So my get people, this kind of thing is good. Our men, I beg, we not they put pressure for our women body again. Because now those things now they cost all those ones. Now they cost them. Eh? So my people, I beg. I just say make I do this video man to like see advise our men there. I beg. When I'm not get that mindset, say the person not born boy picking, say not be better wife again. Now what you give her, now she produce for you. You understand me? So that's what it be. So thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remain your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and bye.